So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a custom poster or flyer instantly without any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser in your any device, and here you have to search for poster. Just wait a minute. In the search bar you have to search for postermywall.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, here you're gonna see, just simply click on this option which is start creating and select the type of poster or flyer you want to create. For example, if I click on email campaign or anything else, let's click on event. And once I do that, here I can directly customize and create a event flyer that I can download and use anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.